and deliver his speech. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In the name of Allah, most beneficent, most merciful, may praise to Allah, may praise be to Allah, the creator of the world, and peace and blessing be upon his Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Honorable President of this holy program, Chief Guest, respectable teachers and dear audience, today I want to deliver a speech before you about the great Islamic scholar, Janab Maulana Abul Hasan Ali Nadwi. My dear audience, Janab Maulana Abul Hasan Ali Nadwi was a famous religious scholar of India. He was born of the village named Takia Kala of family in Bandipur in 1914. His father was a simple person and his mother was a religious lady. He started his education in his house and then got education in a primary school, but they came to know he got education from talented teachers of his education in different colleges. He took lot of the awards with honesty and hard working along with great medals. My dear audience, after receiving the awards, he gave different colleges of India. Janab Maulana Abul Hasan Ali Nadwi had failed in the examination of Lucknow University at first time. He had succeeded in the next examination of Lucknow University next year, and not only succeeded, but he had gotten first position in the whole university due to his hard work. He wrote the book